Chords, 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 and more chords on the ukulele. Do you know that there's more than just the basic major, minor, and seventh chords on the ukulele? Well, I want to take some time in this video to show you some of the other possibilities of chords that you can play on this, and I'm going to show you exactly where you can get all those chords as well. So when you come across one in your song, you know exactly how to handle it. Okay, stick around. It's all going to be right here in this video. All right, welcome to Ukulele to Pros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here. And we did something really cool. It's we put together this cool chord poster over at store.ukuleletopros.com, the #1 store for all your ukulele needs. And I figured we'd do a little video because we don't realize how many different chords there are. As a matter of fact, we're not even going to go over all the different chords today. But I want to show you some of the other ones out there besides just the major, the minor, and the seventh chords. The ones that you see a lot, but there's so many more possibilities out there. All right, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and then sign up on the link below, because if you do those three things, or actually just two things, subscribe and sign up on the link below, you're going to be entered to win the free, that's right, free ukulele giveaway we do every single month right here on our channel. So make sure to take care of that. All right, now, I'm playing my Koaloha Black Label tenor with a low G. It doesn't matter if you have low G, high G, soprano, concert, tenor. It doesn't really matter at all for this video, all right? So we get to so comfortable playing. And by the way, I'm going to do everything in A for now, just to keep it simple, although you can do all of these chords in all the different keys, okay? So we get so comfortable with A, the major chord, or the A minor chord, or the A7 chord, the A7 chord, and even sometimes this A minor 7, which is just the open strings. But there's so many more chords out there, and you're going to see them as you continue playing more and more songs and getting into the ukulele, whether you're doing fingerstyle or strumming. By the way, ukuleletopros.com, we have over 20 courses over there and a fantastic platinum membership. Okay, so come join us over there. Get all the chords. By the way, we're going to be using a lot of these different chords in those courses. Plus, we have a fantastic community over there. We do a lot of Q&As, a lot of challenges over there. So, all right, ukuleletopros.com, platinum for a platinum membership. All right, but there's a lot of other chord options out there besides just the basic ones that we just went over, such as something like this. How about A sus4? Listen to that beautiful chord. And a lot of the chords here I'm going to show you aren't even that difficult to play, even though they're sound really cool and they sound different than the other ones. Okay, how about something like this? A6. A minor 6. Same chord, except you're going to make the C sharp to C, and that makes it A minor. All right, and again, the reason for this video is I want to show you that we have this cool chord, it's hard to say that, chord poster at store.ukuleletopros.com. It's going to give you all these chords, not only in the key of A, but all the keys. So when you're playing a song and you get tied up and you don't know it, so you can just go to that chord chart that you have, the poster, and you can find it and you can help you get on your way there. All right, what else do we got? We got stuff like the augmented chord. Ooh. The major 7 chords. These are used more kind of in jazz, like the major 7 or maybe the 7 flat 9. That was the one I was doing earlier. That one you can move up every 3 frets. How about A7 sharp 9? More of like a Jimi Hendrix chord. A6 9. All right, and then you have more of your jazz chords and stuff, and that's not even moving up the neck to getting chords like this. But again, I just want to do this video to open up the world for you, and so when you see this, like, what's an A6 chord? Bam. You got it, and if you don't know it, you can go to that chord poster that we created. Really cool. We spend a lot of time to make sure we cover not every single chord in the world, but at least the chords that you're going to see over and over again in your song. So anyway, that's store.ukuleletopros.com. We'll put a link to that below so you can get it. So anyway, hope you learned a little bit of something. The possibility that there's a lot of different chords out there. That was just in the key of A. You could do all those chords in the different keys as well. So anyway, I appreciate you being here. Make sure to subscribe. Click that link below to sign up for the free ukulele giveaway every single month. And then if you like this, want to learn more, check out the chord poster over at store.ukuleletopros.com. All right, that's going to do it. I'm out of here. Take care, and we'll see you next time.